Hello everybody! Today's video will be a little bit different since it's getting warm and I finally got to paint my brake calipers using basic tools that you can get in any shop for $20 or $30 or 20-30 euro. And here, as you can see, I started with a paint stripper. After putting the paint stripper, I need to wait for around 10-15 minutes and then I try to start rubbing it off, scrubbing it off. You can get a wire brush or you can get some sort of a scraper. Then after that, what I want to do, I want to try to wipe the brake calipers. If the paint didn't go through, put some more of this paint stripper stuff on the brake caliper and repeat the process. Wait a little bit, scrub it off. It looks like here all my paint is gone, so I'm gonna just wipe the calipers with some paint thinner to get rid of the rest of the paint. Yes, wipe it really nice and good. This is how they look now. They are aluminum, so I will need to apply some primer, aluminum primer. First of all, I'm gonna just spray them with a brake cleaner to degrease them. That will prepare them for the paint. See, for the bolts and the contact points, I'm gonna put some little bit of oil on them so the paint will get off easily if I spray over them. Now some aluminum primer, I'm gonna just add that and just spray nicely. Thin layer doesn't have to be thick, just one layer is enough. Next thing, I want to mix the paint and the paint hardener. So I'm gonna shake the can and I'm gonna put everything into a nice little jar. Mix it well and we'll start painting. Remember to keep the layer thin. If the layer is too thick, it will cure for a very long time. Now this paint, it says it's gonna cure for 21 days. For example, if you're painting your calipers, you don't want to install them right away. If you need to do so, you can, but try to save on the brakes. Don't brake too harshly so the calipers won't heat up. And the next thing I want to do, see, for the nice patch, I want to get rid of the paint on the caption, so the logo or whatever you want to kind of expose. And this is the final result. I'm still waiting for them to dry. Once they're a little bit more dry, I'm gonna get rid of the paint on the contact points and on the bolts. Thank you for watching and I hope this helped you a little bit.